Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy C-Specker, and today we are out here with my 2018 Mercedes C63 AMG, and we got a nail in the tire, guys. Unfortunately, we have a nail in the tire, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the whole process from start to finish, how you can fix that nail in the tire without having to go to a tire shop or pay for another tire when it's unnecessary. You have all the tools out here for you to get it done. Do it yourself, no problem. Matter of fact, it's a great idea to buy this kit and put it in your trunk so that when you're on the side of the road, you can fix these type of issues with no problem at all. So as you can see, this is the kit right here. This is the Slime Tire Tackle Tire Repair Kit for all tires. It comes with this here is what you use to clean out the hole after removing the nail or the object in your tire. And this right here is what you use to insert the tire plug. Yeah, knew it would come to me, the tire plug. That's how you insert the tire plug. So pretty much you just remove this from the plastic wrapper that it's inside of, and you kind of straighten out one side of it that you're going to insert in here. Push it through just enough where you can grab it on the other side, and you're going to wiggle it through and feed it on through about halfway. And at that point, you're good to go. Also, I have here is a compressor made by Slime, which lets me know my air PSI. Alright, so I currently have 17 PSI on my tire. Alright, so it's a good old... So what I've done is I already identified the location of my nail, and then I put my vehicle in neutral, and I rolled it back until I was able to get it in a position where I can fix it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull that nail out the tire, and we're going to go ahead and commence to get this thing fixed up. Okay. First thing you want to do, you want to get the tire in a position where you can access the problem area with no problem. This is to avoid from having to remove the tire. All right. You want to get some pliers. You want to pull it out. But first of all, let's get some more air in our tires so that it'll be easier to insert this plug, okay? All right, that's good enough. All right, the accessory power times out so freaking quick in this mode. We're gonna just go ahead and work with the PSI we have in the tire. So you're gonna get you some pliers. Needle nose are preferably a perfect tool to keep with your little case, because you can use these to pull your little plug through and all that good stuff if you're having problems pulling it through with your fingers on the tool. So let's pull your nail out. So as soon as I pull this nail out, it's gonna get loud from the air coming out. Don't let the air coming out scare you. Your tire isn't gonna explode on you. You wanna have this tool ready at the go. So that as soon as you get this nail out, you're gonna insert this tool, and this is what you're gonna use to go in and out to clean that area, to remove any debris, or pretty much to make it a malleable surface so that the plug adhere to it a lot easier. So let's go ahead and get that done. As you can see, that's our culprit right there. Go ahead and insert this tool here. All right, you're gonna have to force it in there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be bigger than whatever you pull out. Let's go side to side until you get it in there. Keep in mind, it is easier to insert this with the tire off, but it can be done with it on too. Just make sure you're going in the same hole that's in there, not making a new one. Oh, we're pretty much in there, guys. Just gotta get it on in there. That's why you want to do the twisty motion. That helps out a whole lot. And at that point, in and out, as you can see, little rubber pieces falling out. This is going to make it an easier process to get this plug in there. As long as you're able to get a little stroking motion going on, they don't have to be the full stroke. Just enough to clean that surface up. it's ready now. Once you can get that jug going on, it's ready for the plug. So this process should make getting the plug in a lot easier than it would have been possible if you were not to do this. So also make sure you always have all the tools needed to do the job. Alright, so this is the hard part here. Inserting the plug. It's challenging, but it's fairly easy. And as you noticed, all that air came out. That meant to let you know you had a nice opening for your plug insertion. Let's get it done. Alright, so it's gonna take a lot of force, but it's easier. You can twist it. Get yourself some leverage. This is all in the sake of convenience. If you don't feel like taking the tire off, remember, it's so much easier to remove your tire to do this, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack my car up just a little bit so I can have more room here. All right. If I had something to push my legs against, it would be so much more easier also. Fuck, this shit ain't no joke. Alright guys, we in there, just gotta get it in there all the way. I'm using the front of this tire for leverage for me to pull my foot again to get this thing in there. If you're not twisting, it's gonna be a lot harder. Try to twist it in there. Just got these tires put on less than a month ago. Just my luck. Alright guys, that's it. Alright, so we got it in there pretty good. We're gonna use a razor blade and cut off the excess, okay? So when you get your slime tire kit, be sure to get you a razor blade and stick up in there too. Because you don't want to have all this excess plug hanging out. You would hate for it to get snatched out or something like that. There we go. There you go. So that there is how you plug a tire, guys. So at this point, we're just going to confirm that we had the right PSI in it, since we lost some air during the process. Pretty much, guys, that completes the video. Just want to show you how you can plug your own tire. All you need is a kit in your car, and it's that simple. No need to pay $10, $12, $13 to a tire shop to fix your tire when it's not necessary, okay? But this is your boy C-Spent Kurt. I'm just getting some air in this tire. And that's it, guys. That concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And yo, we're gonna keep it coming, all right? That's that Cold Star on the AMG right there. Oh, it's beauty, it's a beauty. Let's give a few revs for you guys. It's your boy, and I'm out of here. Peace.